Tired of mosquitoes and insects? Grow these 15 plants. 1. Lavender. Lavandula, is an herbaceous perennial with tall purple flowers that range from light to dark. It produces a fragrance that is calming to humans and unpleasant to pests like mosquitoes, flies, fleas, and moths. 2. Rosemary, a woody evergreen shrub. Rosemary, salvia, has aromatic foliage filled with long-lasting oils that can be noticed from quite a distance. Rosemary repels common garden pests, including Japanese beetles, carrot flies, slugs, and snails. 3. Basil, another herb with pest-repelling properties. Basil, Ocimum basilicum, can keep mosquitoes, flies, aphids, mites, and tomato hornworms away from the garden thanks to its strong aroma. It can also help keep insects from coming inside. Plant it near doors and windows to discourage pests from entering. 4. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums are a beloved container plant known for their fall interest, but they also have pest repellent properties. Chrysanthemums contain pyrethrum, a natural insect repellent commonly used in insecticides. Their daisy-like blooms repel ants, cockroaches, ticks, fleas, bedbugs, and Japanese beetles. 5. Mint. Mint is an upright perennial that forms thickets through underground stolons. Mint repels cabbage moths, ants, mice, and fleas. It's best to plant mint in containers, as it is a prolific grower that can take over the landscape. 6. Garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum, is a member of the allium family that grows long, slender leaves above the soil and produces a bulb of smaller cloves beneath the soil. It has a strong scent that repels aphids, cabbage loopers, and Japanese beetles. 7. Catnip. Catnip is in the same family as mint, so it has a similar scent and appearance. The fragrance is a deterrent to pests, including mosquitoes, cockroaches, and termites. 8. Lemongrass. As the name implies, lemongrass has a strong lemony scent, similar to citronella, that is especially unappealing to mosquitoes. The herb has tall grass-like leaves that are a great filler plant in the garden. 9. Marigold. Often grown as a companion plant, marigolds are great at keeping pests away from your garden. Marigolds are bright, vibrant flowers available in shades of yellow, orange, and white. These vibrant flowers emit a strong scent that repels mosquitoes, aphids, and other insects. 10. Nasturtium. Nasturtiums are colorful flowers that can attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies to the garden. In addition to attracting beneficial pests, the plant can also deter whiteflies, squash bugs, and cucumber beetles. 11. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus leaves have a strong scent that deters mosquitoes, flies, and other insects from the garden. You can plant it in your garden or use eucalyptus oil to create a natural insect repellent spray. 12. Lemon thyme. A fragrant herb with low-growing, oval-shaped leaves. Lemon thyme emits a lemony aroma that deters mosquitoes, cockroaches, and termites. 13. Oregano. Oregano is a woody shrub that is drought-tolerant. Like many herbs, it has a strong aroma that can repel pests, including moths and cucumber beetles. 14. Scented geranium, great for growing in containers. Glands in the leaves that readily emit a strong scent. Scented geraniums have prominent oil. This flowering plant repels mosquitoes, fleas, wasps, deer, and rodents. 15. Rue. Rue is a mounding perennial with lacy. Rue's fragrant leaves and stems release a pleasant scent for humans, but the same scent repels insects. Here's all for today. Want to know more scientific uses of plants? Please comment.